Students, in this video we will learn about Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau is the oldest region of India. Let's see the meaning of peninsular. Peninsular is an area surrounded by water. India is peninsular country as it is surrounded by sea on its three sides. Let's see the meaning of plateau. Plateau is a highland or tableland which have a flat terrain. We know that mountains are like this, but plateau is like a table. It is a tableland which have a flat terrain. Peninsular plateau can be divided into two parts: central highland, which is consist of Malwa plateau, Chota Nagpur plateau, Bundelkhand plateau, and second is the Deccan plateau. Here in this sea, you can see that plateau is divided into two parts: central highland and Deccan plateau. This is the oldest region of India. This appears as an inverted triangular. Its height is about 600 to 900 meter, and it is divided into two parts: central highland and Deccan plateau. Let's see first the central highland. Here is the central highland, which consists of Malwa plateau, Bundelkhand, Bundelkhand, Chota Nagpur, Ranchi, Shillong, which are the main plateaus of this central highland. Let's see Malwa plateau. Here, Aravalli range. Aravalli range is situated to the northwest part of the Malwa plateau. Aravalli is one of the oldest region in the range in the world. It is folded mountain. Mount Abu is the highest peak and Mount Abu is the famous hill station on this range. It is very beautiful and pleasant. And Guru Sikar in its highest peak, and it is about 1722 meter high. So in this Aravalli range, Mount Abu is a famous hill station, and Guru Sikar is the highest peak of this range, which is about 1722 meter high. Then next we have a Bundelkhand. Next we have a Bundelkhand, which is at the northeastern part of the central upland. The northeastern part of the central upland is known as Bundelkhand. Then we have a Chota Nagpur plateau. Chota Nagpur plateau, Rajmahal Hills, which is also situated at the Bundelkhand, Malwa plateau, Bundelkhand, Rajmahal Hills, Chota Nagpur plateau, Shillong and Ranchi are also the part of the Chota Nagpur plateau. Chota Nagpur plateau covers the states like Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, and Odisha. So Chota Nagpur plateau covers the state like Bihar, Odisha, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Same way Malwa plateau covers the states like Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Next we have a Deccan Plateau, Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is situated to the south of Satpura. Satpura range is here. Deccan Plateau is situated to the south of Satpura range, Mahadev and Maikal. Mahadev and Maikal. So, Deccan Plateau is situated to the south of Satpura range, Mahadev and Maikal, which are located to the south of the Malwa Plateau. The northern western part of the plateau are composed of lava deposits. On the western side, its border is demarcated. Western side, its border is demarcated by Western Ghats, which runs north to south along the Arabian Sea coast. It has several local names. Several local names that Sahyadri in Maharashtra and Karnataka, Sahyadri in Maharashtra and Karnataka, as Nilgiri in Tamil Nadu, as Annamalai and Cardamom ranges along the border of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The southern portion of the Western Ghats is more lofty. Lofty means high. Generally, the average height of Deccan Plateau ranges between 900 to 1000 meter, but at a few places it exceeds the height. Few isolated hills having more than 900 meter of height form the eastern boundaries of this plateau. So, few isolated hills more than 900 meter of height form eastern boundaries of this plateau, and this is called Eastern Ghats. It has a general slope toward southeast. Which is evident from the direction of the flow of the river. So most of the river flows from toward southeast, except Narmada and Tapi. They flow westward, but most of the river they flow southeast. Most of the river of Deccan Plateau they flow eastward and meet the Bay of Bengal. This is the plateau. Deccan Plateau covers the states like Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Again, Deccan Plateau covers the states of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.